In this video, I will show you how to download WhatsApp in your laptop. To get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come and click onto your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. And in here, you want to type Store and then open up the Microsoft Store underneath Best Match. Now, once you've done that, you should find WhatsApp generally in the trending section on the home screen of the Microsoft Store. But if you don't see that here, you can use the search box at the top, type WhatsApp, and then search for WhatsApp. So as you can see, we're going to get some results come back. What you want to do is click onto WhatsApp from here. And once you're on the app page, you're going to see a button which will say get or install. Give that a click. And as you can see, that's going to start to download and install WhatsApp on your laptop. So once WhatsApp has finished installing, you're going to see the button's going to change to open. You can also use your search box again from your taskbar to search for WhatsApp. And what you can do is click onto WhatsApp underneath Best Match, which is of course going to launch WhatsApp on your computer or laptop. So at this point you can click onto login, and once you've done that, you need to scan the QR code with your phone's camera, tap the link which will come up in WhatsApp, and scan the QR code again to link your account. So you can just log in using this method, or you can log in with your phone number underneath. So that is how to download WhatsApp in laptop. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.